scared of the term artificial intelligence. So, has this happened with you when you heard of this term artificial intelligence? A little bit confusion, curiosity, a little bit scared feeling. Um, yes, no, maybe. Please let me know via your comments on this video as well. But let me tell you my experience that first time when I heard about this term, I was literally scared. Maybe because, and I completely believe that the sole reason for this feeling was basically the limited knowledge on this subject. So as and when I started unfolding the truth or the information behind this, it has given me some kind of comfort level today. And I think through this video I want to share that with you, so that you could take forward step and just not quit at this stage just looking at the name. There are two reasons for which I think most of us are scared. Is first the term intelligence itself, which is associated with this. So whenever we'll talk about anything which is related to intelligence, it is supposed to be like a complex, something which is not my cup of tea, and something which is not fun and all. And what exactly happens is we try to stay away from that topic. The second thing is which scares us is when you listen to this word artificial intelligence, we get this visualization of all the robots around it doing our daily chores of work. They are in the office premise, or maybe when we are commuting to work, or so all around us robots. So that kind of visualization, and thanks to all the superhero movies and other movies like Iron Man, and then the Transformers, and recent one, the 2.0, all the chitties of the world, that scares you to death. But through this video I want to get rid of these two myths by sharing some of the concepts on AI that will give you all a comfort level. Okay, so let me share slides here that will give you more information about artificial intelligence, at the same time help you take it forward if you are standing and watching right now and thinking if we should get into this domain or not. One more thing we should be very cognizant is there is another word which is associated with this, is artificial. Okay, which means it's not real. And so the question comes, where is the real intelligence? So real intelligence is with people like you, me, and all around us, because human brain is the real intelligence, and artificial intelligence is aspired or inspired, I would say, from it. And how it is connected, let me show you through this slide. So if you can see this slide here, where I talk about, show you about the real intelligence. So first and foremost, we are in the real world, and if we want to take any kind of a decision, so this flow talks about that step-by-step process. So there are three things in this. First is you observe. Now, how human brain observes? So we have five senses: so eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. So all those actually gather information around us. Second thing is we learn about it to comprehend and interpret things, and then we create a mental model in our brain, and this mental model is used next time if the same scenario comes. You don't have to do all of these. What you have to do is directly, the mental model makes it much more faster and easier to take a decision. Moving ahead, if you look at artificial intelligence, almost the same steps. observe learn model. Okay, but in this case, just pay attention to couple of things. First thing is observation. How? Okay, it is all database, so it's based on your structured and unstructured data which is fed in the system. In case you are not aware of unstructured data, so unstructured data are all your images, audio files, video files, and so on. Whereas your normal structured data is nothing but your rows and columns and Excel and XML files. And when it comes to learning, learning is all about machine learning, which is a complete in itself, a separate module to be discussed. Maybe I'll cover some of it in my upcoming video as well. So that's how learning happens. And then a model is created, but in this case, it's a math model. The reason why it is we are calling it as a math model, because in some cases, like the statisticians can also come up or create model, if not through AI models, and can predict things, and they have been doing it for in past so many years as well. So it can be both the ways. So that's something I wanted to tell you about. So my point here is something which looks quite complex today. Tomorrow it will be much more part of your life and easier to handle. To just give you a small example, we were using these phones like Nokia at that point of time, with limited features of calling and texting. But even that time, we were reading about smartphones coming into play, and then a little bit of confusion, and we were a little bit anxious about it. But today, if we look at smartphones, does that scare you? Not anymore. Forget about you and me, but it doesn't even scare our parents. People who have been from the age of Telegram, they are very conveniently able to onboard on smartphones. That's a different thing, that they keep spamming you with all devotional and emotional forwards, but keeping that's jokes apart, but they have come long way. So that's my point, that today we are not even talking about the complexity of smartphones, and it's part of our life. The second fear I spoke about, the transformers and the chitties of the world. So let me share one more slide here, is which talks about the different stages of AI, and where do we stand today. So there are like three stages: artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. So narrow intelligence is nothing but anything and everything is at this stage. So if I have to tell where is artificial intelligence today, it's at the first stage itself, that is artificial narrow intelligence. And what is this stage about? This stage is about we are applying AI on specific tasks. So we give feed the information, and that's how tasks are being done. The other one is artificial general intelligence, where we are talking about where machines will possess the ability of human intellect. Now, that is something still debatable and hypothetical situation. I don't know when that situation will be, when they will be at par with us. I can't visualize it right now, but there has been a lot of theories, a lot of research happening, a lot of talks happening on this, but still it's a hypothetical situation for now. Then comes the artificial super intelligence. Now this is actually the stage which we should be scared of, which talks about robots and machines overpowering human or surpasses human intellect. Now these are again it's hypothetical situations. So I don't think, at least for our generation, we are to worry about artificial general intelligence and super intelligence, because super intelligence is far away. But again, these are hypothetical situation things. You never know how things evolve, but at least it puts me at rest, that immediately there is nothing coming my way. I think these two things I wanted to share with you all as part of today's video. In case this has added a little bit of value in your knowledge repository, then please do like, share, and comment. And let me also know what is that you want me to create video on. So maybe on those topics I will research and come back to you on next Saturday. Till then, I'm signing off. This is Sarika Hussain. Have a good day.